we have Titch. Come on, bubbies. Come on, darlings. Oh, you must have been so scared last night. I'll go and get you some more chicken, shall I? I know. I don't want to disturb you too much. Yeah, I'm going to get you some more chicken, babies. Okay. Come on. Is that Dorothy? It is Dorothy. There you go, sweetheart. I've put chicken out for you already. Oh, you must have been so scared last night. Come on, there's plenty down. I'll get you some more. Yeah, you're a good girl. There you go. I'll go and get you some more.